Welcome back, everyone. This is Excellent Labor here. Today's 103 of the house building project. And we got a couple things going on today. First thing, I got to get some pressure back in these pipes because the inspector's coming out today to see if I'm ready to start closing in the walls with drywall and insulation. And while I'm waiting on him, I'm just going to go through and run some blocking for the cabinets here. So that's going to be the project for the day.
Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.
And just watch and enjoy. Okay, so what I just did is measure down 16 inches, then down to 42 inches here. Came over to the end of the blocking run, made another mark for 42, another mark 16 inches down from the wall plate, and then chalked a line clear across and made the height of our blocking. So that way we have a reference to run the blocking at. And then I'm going to go through a measure between each stud space for the length of our blocks, and each of them is going to be unique per block space. So if it's 15.25 here, it might be 15.5 here, vice versa.
This is me going through the complex art of measuring between studs and transcribing the measurements to a piece of paper.
So now's a good time to go through your scrap pile and look for some blocks you can use, because you can't use them really anywhere else.
So now that I have obtained all of the measurements between the stud spaces and gathered the raw material to make the blocking, going through and cutting them to length.
Okay, don't make fun of my safety glasses, but this is the most important part of using a nail gun.
Believe it or not, this part isn't rocket science either. Just line your blocking up with the line and put the appropriate block in the correct space and just toenail the blocks in, and you'll have an opportunity to nail from the back side straight into the block in some areas.
Okay, so I got the blocking all done. So the cabinet's gonna go across this wall, then across this wall for the kitchen. So spots like this and this that are missing blocks, that's because right here the range is going, so you'll have cabinets coming across the top. And obviously the range will be in the way, so no base cabinets there. Then right here, the refrigerator's going, so it actually stops like right here. So I left this blocking out, and you have cabinets going across the top of the refrigerator. That's going to catch that. In this other area right here, so I'm going to put 3 1/4 trim and then about an inch gap. So my cabinet's going to hit about right here. There's no way to put blocking across because of this pipe. So I just padded that out to catch that cabinet right there. Sometimes excellent labor gets lucky. My neighbor came over and gave me this for a range. I already have one for my range, but you know, I'll save it for the next house. So guys, looks like the inspector just left and it passed. Everything's good to go. That's what I wanted, ready for installation. I know a lot of you guys are intimidated by codes and following the rules and all that, but if you do a little research, ask questions, online's a big help, you too can pass your inspection.